बोर हो गए? बस एक पॉप का काम है। दिस इज देसी पॉप्स, नॉट अ कैंडी, नॉट अ लॉलीपॉप. दिस इज अ होल न्यू चटपटा पॉप category. Perfectly packed, super easy to peel. Let's try. Ooh, that tangy hit. And guess what makes it even better? No added sugar. Made with jaggery. No colors, no preservatives. Totally guilt-free. And the flavors? Absolute bangers. Real aam, kacha aam, chili guava, masala jamun, chili orange and strawberry. This pack comes with 50 pops, so your cravings stay sorted for a long time. You can grab Desi Pops easily on Amazon, Blinkit, Zepto or Instamart. When boredom hits, bas ek pop or mood set.